Hey everybody, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to make this origami snake. It's a slightly different model I found. It has some extra details, especially on the head, and it's not too hard to make. The only material needs a square sheet of paper. In this video I'm using 8 inches or 20 centimeters. Our first step is to fold it in half diagonally. Then we unfold, flip the paper over, and hold it in this position. Now we are going to fold both top sides to the middle. We can start with the right side. Then the left side, align it carefully. Now we are going to fold these two diagonal creases here. To do this, first bring the bottom left side up to the edge of the other folds. Then do the same with the right side. And that's it. Now we need to fold both bottom sides to the middle. This time we can start with the right side. Then do the same with the left side. Unfold both. Then fold this triangle from the bottom up. We have these two diagonal lines here. We're going to use them as a guide to fold the corner down. To align it well, I recommend reinforce here in the center a bit. Then flip the paper over. This way you can make sure the corner is centered properly. Now with the paper in this position, we are going to bring down the part we just folded. Reinforce a bit. And unfold the first layer. Flip the paper over. Fold the side corners. And flip it over again. Pay close attention to the next step. We are going to reinforce these folds here. For that, fold both sides along the existing lines, like this. Then reinforce these diagonal folds in the center. Now that we reinforce the folds, press gently in the center just to mark it. Then bring this flap up, folding its layers behind. reinforce everything nicely. And this is the result. Now, unfold this back layer. Flip the paper over and leave it in this position. And fold both sides to the middle. You don't need to fold exactly to the middle. You can leave a small gap. Flip it over. Now fold both top halves to the middle. Unfold. And fold the corners connecting these points here. Then redo the previous fold. Once done, fold the top corner down a bit. If this part unfolds during the next step, don't worry. Just fold it again later. Here we have this other layer. We're going to close it, starting at the tip, like this. Then continue closing this part until the tip fits under the layers we folded earlier. We can close the paper using the center crease. I'm going to fold this top corner again. Reinforce it a bit at the end. And this is the result. Now, to make the first detail of the head, we'll fold this diagonal line here. To do that, fold the top part diagonally down, like this. Reinforce just a little, and unfold. Open the larger section, and reinforce those two diagonal lines we made, making sure both go in the same direction. Now close the larger section, like this. Adjust the details, reinforcing the folds, making everything neat. Now open the larger section again and fold both sides to the middle. close the paper. And to finish, we are going to reverse this longer part, creating the tail. And we have our origami snake. You can still add some details by shaping the paper a bit, making a few curves, but all of that is optional. If you managed to make it, congratulations! Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.